Can you believe it, Sarnia-Lambton? It's already a new month, and that means it's time to look back at the stats from the previous real estate market. Hey everyone, here it's Ryan from Blue Coast Realty, and let's take a look and dive into the February 2023 housing market update. In February, we had around 102 homes sell, which is just below 16% compared to last year. The total dollar volume was just below 50 million, which is a 30% decrease compared to last year. We had just below 185 new listings, which is a 39% decrease compared to a year ago. But on the other hand, we had around 290 active listings, which is an increase of about 325% compared to last February. The average sale price of homes sold in February was just above 487,000, which is a decrease of about 17% compared to last year. The sales to list ratio was around 96%, which is a significant decrease compared to 117% last February. Now let's look closer at the individual areas in Sarnia-Lambton. First, let's look at the north end of Sarnia. Again, the highway north from there. There's currently around 40 active listings. We had 19 sell, 5 conditionally sold, and the average sale price was around 485,000. Now let's go in the south, and that's south of the highway. We have about 20 active listings right now, 40 homes sell, and 8 conditionally sell, and the average sale price right now, it was just around that $384,000 mark. Now let's go to Brights Grove. Even though it's part of Sarnia, we like to separate it. We saw 6 active listings, 4 homes sell, and 1 conditionally sell. But the average sale price on Brights Grove was $623,000, so the largest price point in Sarnia. And we look at Forest, we had 6 active listings, 2 homes sell, and 1 conditionally sold, and the average sale price was around $350,000 in Forest. So Plymouth, Wyoming, we're gonna do the whole area here. There's 10 active listings, 6 homes sold, and there's 1 conditionally sell, and the average sale price was around $795,000, which is huge. Moving on to Petrolia, we had around 5 active listings, 4 homes sell, 2 conditionally sell, and the average sale price was around $907,000 in the Petrolia area. Now let's look at Corunna. It was very active. We had 10 active listings, 8 homes sell, 3 conditionally sell, and the average sale price in Corunna was $515,000. Now let's look at all of St. Clair Township. We're gonna take Corunna out because we just talked about that. 15 active listings, 10 homes sell, 3 conditionally sell. Average sale price in this area was around $517,000. So what's the market gonna do going forward? That's a big question we go right now. Now, early in the video, we talked about a 17% decrease in the average sale price. A lot that we're seeing there is the new home construction's been pulled out of those numbers. Last February was really, some people may argue, the height of the market, the height of the craziness that we had going on, and the new homes were selling very well. The new homes was the first market to leave the market when we did have that interest rate adjustment over the last year. And remember, March of 2022 was the first rate increase we actually had of that quarter point. So the numbers I'd say are actually, when you take the new home construction out of the equation and how those numbers are working out, we're seeing about a 5% decrease. So what are we gonna see going forward? Bank of Canada, their last announcements, they said they're gonna leave the rates alone for a bit. If they do, who knows? We don't have a crystal ball. If we did, well, we'd be all in a lot different place right now. So what should we do moving forward? I get it. The market can be very challenging right now for a lot of people. There's a lot of news out there and you don't know what to believe anymore. The biggest thing I'd say for you to do is talk to some professionals, ask some questions. This is one of the biggest transactions you're gonna make in your life. Don't be afraid to be curious and ask those questions so you can be better informed, and make better decisions. Thanks for watching, everyone. Put Sean on your lawn and welcome home to the Blue Coast.